What's going on, guys? Wild Whiskey Wolf over here at Fast by Few Motorcycle Performance. You got these two pair of limited edition Kawasaki Adidas collab shoes. So we're gonna do an unboxing video for you guys so you can see how they look like. Two different model of shoes right here, and yeah, should be pretty exciting. I'm really interested to see how these look.
Alright guys, here we are. I know some of you are going to hate this video, but it's alright. We're going to open up the black ones first. I believe these are the ZX 5K boosts. They're wrapped up. Well, looks cool.
Jeez, look at that.
They come with green shoelaces that say Kawasaki, and then they also say Adidas on the other side. And then it comes with chrome ZX, I guess little tags for the front. Pretty cool. The side of the shoe is actually like a translucent black, so looks like a pretty nice shoe. Sole's green. Looks like the back has got some chrome badging on it.
Get a look at that chrome for you guys.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah.
It'll look good on the track bike.
Oh man, that's the 2022 ZX10 right behind it. So you can see you guys can see it's the same.
Oh, look at the bottom. The bottom looks
Kawasaki.
good too.
Oh man,
Look at how nice the bottom is. Black and green. It's cool because like you can actually wear these and not get them dirty. So yeah, nice.
so that's the ZX. This is the ZX 5K boost.
Yes, sir.
And these ones come in at $160 if you guys are interested in buying them. If you can, it's kind of hard to get them right now.
These you can only get at a Kawasaki dealership. So if you zoom in, there's my name and the part number is right there. I'm sure we'll put the part number in the thing, but this is the part number. These part numbers are based off of size, so these are size 10. So kind of you're gonna have to do some research, but your Kawasaki dealership should be able to help you.
Sweet. So there you guys go. That's the unboxing for the ZX 5K boost. And now we're going to unbox the ZX 800.
ZX 8000.
8000.
8000. All right, they're wrapped up the same. Here we go. So this is cool. It's got green and blue ZX badging, and then it comes with green and blue shoelaces that say Kawasaki and Adidas on them as well. The end sole says Kawasaki, and then the tongue says Kawasaki. So all in the Kawasaki green. It's got the chrome Kawasaki badges. This is definitely a really cool shoe.
That's
I like
awesome.
the white and the green and the blue. This looks like my old race bike, even with the little honeycomb right there. And it's chrome just like the other one. And yeah, this thing is it's a really, really nice shoe as well. I'm excited to wear these things.
Nice. So here you guys go. Here's just a 360 walk around, so you can see both of these shoes in full detail. That chrome on the back is just super shiny. It's like a mirror finish. You guys will have to let us know down in the comments which one you guys are digging more, the ZX 8000 on the right or the ZX 5K boost. Both beautiful looking shoes.
You know what we should give the people?
What?
We should show them what the shoe looks like on the bike.
So as you guys can see, that Kawasaki Green matches perfectly with the bike. Same exact color. Beautiful shoe. Line up the other one so you guys can see it. All right, and here's how the ZX1000 looks. Super bright green. That's how it looks on the new ZX10. You can see the color comparison. One thing about the ZX8000 is the Ninja inscription is actually written on the inside of the shoe and not the outside like the 5K Boost. So
we just noticed that when we put the shoe on the bike.
Yep. So there you guys go. Little review of Kawasaki and Adidas new shoe collab. Both awesome shoes. Put the links down in the description if you guys want to purchase them for yourself. But like Tebow said, you're gonna have to go to your Kawi dealership, most likely, to purchase these for it to.
These will be on sale on eBay in 10 years for $1,000 each.